In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your hosting or business email to Gmail step by step. This is perfect if you want to manage your professional email directly inside your Gmail inbox so you don't have to log in to multiple platforms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to both receive and send emails using your hosting or domain email straight from Gmail. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. It's important that you do this from the desktop version because the settings we need are not fully available in the mobile app. Once Gmail loads, look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. Inside the Settings page, click on the tab called Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail allows you to connect external email accounts. Now look for the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Under that section, click on Add a Mail Account. A small pop-up window will appear, asking for the email address you want to add. Enter your full hosting or business email address, then click Next. On the next screen, choose the option that says Import emails from my other account using POP3, then click Next again. Now you'll need to enter your hosting or POP settings. For the username, enter your full email address, not just the part before the @ symbol. For the password, enter your email account password. In the POP server field, type mail.hostinger.com. For the port, enter 995. Make sure the option Always Use a Secure Connection using SSL is checked. This ensures your emails are securely transferred. You can also choose whether to leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server. If you still plan to access your email from hosting or webmail, it's usually a good idea to leave that checked. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Add Account. Gmail will now ask if you want to be able to send mail as this address. Choose Yes, I want to be able to send mail as this address, and then click Next. Now it's time to configure the SMTP settings so you can send emails from Gmail using your hosting address. In the SMTP server field, enter mail.hostinger.com. For the port, enter 465. Make sure SSL is selected as the secured connection option. For the username, again, enter your full email address. For the password, enter your email password. Double-check everything carefully to avoid connection errors. When you're ready, click Add Account. Gmail may send a verification code to your hosting or email address. If prompted, open your hosting or webmail, copy the verification code, and paste it into the confirmation box in Gmail. This step confirms that you own the email address. Once verified, your hosting or business email is now fully connected to Gmail. You'll start receiving emails inside your Gmail inbox, and when composing a new email, you can choose your hosting or address in the From drop-down menu. And that's it. You've successfully added your hosting or business email to Gmail so you can manage everything in one place. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.